Hello everyone, and welcome to Fact versus Myth, a weight management and nutrition facts edition. In this lecture, we will explore some of the most commonly held misconceptions regarding weight loss. These are important considerations for living a healthy life, as well as educating others, including your friends and family. While nutrition is a science, with new developments always a possibility, this presentation will focus on the long history of evidence-based guidelines for weight management, supported by dietetics professionals. So let's give our first statement a go. Fad diets are a helpful way to lose weight and keep it off. And the answer is false. While fad diets such as the South Beach diet, the Atkins diet, paleo diet, and the keto diet may help you lose weight quickly, the weight is often regained within 1 year. In fact, many following fad diets will ultimately gain back even more weight than they initially lost due to the devastating effects many of these low-calorie diets have on your metabolic rate. Okay, moving on. When trying to lose weight, you should avoid eating carbohydrates. And the answer is false. While many of the fad diets we discussed on the previous slide advocate low-carb plans for weight loss, the truth is that carbohydrate is the body's primary fuel source. While many of us associate carbohydrates with foods such as breads, pasta, and rice, carbohydrates also include fruits and vegetables, which are rich and primary sources of vitamins and minerals as well as antioxidants in our diet. Therefore, very restrictive low-carbohydrate diets may pose a risk for micronutrient deficiencies and do not fuel the body, and particularly your brain, for optimal performance. What many people really need is just a better idea of the correct portion sizes of starchy carbohydrates such as breads and pasta, so that they do not overconsume these foods and thus overconsume calories as part of their plan. Now for number 3, low-fat and fat-free products do not help you lose weight and cut calories. And the answer is true. While there are exceptions, low-fat and fat-free products are often marketed to assist with weight loss, and many actually have the same calorie content as the original versions. This is because quite often when manufacturers remove fat from a product, they will add additional carbohydrate in the form of sugar, such as high fructose corn syrup, into the product in place of the fat. This adds additional calories and can also negate any positive impacts from fat removal. Okay, number 4, one of my favorites to discuss. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. And the answer, of course, hopefully you know, is false. While you may lose weight initially by skipping meals, you are definitely negatively impacting your metabolism through caloric restriction. For example, think of your metabolism like a wood stove that burns calories throughout the day. In the morning when you wake up, the embers are glowing, but the fire for calorie burn is essentially out. Without stoking that fire through consuming breakfast and other meals, the metabolism never ignites for the day, and over time, continued patterns of meal skipping can cause the fire to burn down, and therefore you will not burn as many calories doing the same daily activities you once did, making it even more difficult to lose weight and keep it off. So a regular eating schedule that includes several meals every few hours really helps keep your metabolism fire burning for you throughout the day. So moving a bit into the exercise part of weight management, lifting weights is a good way to help you lose weight. And the answer is true. While this goes along with our last slide, as strength training such as weightlifting also plays a role in boosting the metabolism, and this is because one of the primary factors associated with increasing your metabolism and your calorie burn is muscle mass. Therefore, by lifting weights and increasing your muscle mass, you can burn more calories at rest, increasing your daily calorie burn and the possibility for weight loss. However, lifting weights is only one component of a healthy weight management plan and should be combined with aerobic and flexibility training as well. So, to discuss a bit more about when and what to eat, do you think that eating before bed is okay for most people as long as you choose a healthy option and it is within your calorie goal for the day? And the answer is true. While many people have the idea that eating after a certain time of day is detrimental to weight loss, this snack actually may be necessary for blood sugar maintenance overnight and can certainly be consumed if it fits within your calorie goals for the day. One consideration is that an individual's metabolism does appear to slow down after 10 p.m., so there's a possibility for increased fat storage. Therefore, eating before this time of night could be more appropriate, though really further studies are needed. In addition, snacking between meals in general is really helpful to curb hunger and can be part of a healthy weight management plan. And again, fitting with the previous slide, consider the following statement: counting calories is important to weight loss success, and the answer is true. Research has actually shown that individuals who track daily calorie intake, both via their own records or using online applications, have enhanced weight loss success. Self-monitoring is an important part of behavior change and is facilitated by these mechanisms. However, ensuring you are aware of the correct number of calories you should be consuming is an important part of accurate monitoring. So a dietitian is the knowledgeable person that knows the ways of most accurately estimating your calorie needs and can assist you in that process. So this one usually stumps some people, so let's give it a try. You should not eat desserts or sweets when trying to lose weight. And the answer is false. While we all may aim to be perfect with our dietary choices, avoiding the sugary, salty, savory snacks that contain what we call empty calories, it is unrealistic to think that they cannot be an occasional part of a well-rounded, moderate eating plan. Dietitians are known for saying everything in moderation, and this certainly applies to desserts and sweets. While intake of these items at the beginning of changing your habits could be detrimental, it is important to prepare for the moments that they are consumed, to manage your portions, savor that moment, and then continue on track with your goals. Okay, so finally, number 10. If you eat healthy and exercise consistently, you will never gain weight. And unfortunately, the answer is false. While doing the right things should lead to the desired outcomes, the body does have its own mechanisms in place, many associated with the natural aging process, that lower one's metabolism and make it difficult to maintain weight loss. Therefore, it is important to not only eat healthy most of the time, but also consider changes to your eating plan that may be required as you age, or during periods when you're less active. In addition, changing up your fitness plan to help jumpstart a stalled metabolism through new exercise activities can keep the body guessing and help prevent weight gain. Working with a dietitian can help those who struggle with weight gain due to body changes, including those related to diseases such as diabetes. All right. So thank you all for watching this presentation. I hope this has helped to clear up a few of the misconceptions you have had or have heard regarding weight management. As always, feel free to post any comments for discussion on the weekly board within our course, or you can email me directly with any personal questions. Have a great week, and I look forward to this week's discussions.